Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and what to expect video for the GOQii health box. Now this actually has the GOQii Vital BP monitor. Now this is actually a band which has built-in BP monitor also. So it can monitor your heart rate, it can monitor your BP, it can monitor your steps. And it is waterproof also. We'll be talking about all that later on. So let's go ahead and see what all do you get with this. Now this was bought actually almost a year back, so I had actually gifted it to my dad. So he was using this, then we moved on to a different band. So I'll be talking about the experiences, what to expect from this, what are the limitations, and what's good and what's not so good about this band. So let's go ahead and see the features. So basically it gives you step tracking, sleep, karma, calories, GOQii cache, we'll be talking about that also, blood pressure, heart rate, sports, notifications, and USB charging. So this one doesn't come with a dongle, you just directly connect it. Now the tracker can actually check your activity, your sleep tracking. Okay, so up to 7 days of battery life, and you get your phone notification. Now the app on this has a lot of information. Now it's not only your health related, just your tracker information. It gives most of the data on this app, like 90% of the data on this app has nothing to do with the tracker. So it's all about health, fitness, how to get fit, how to do this exercise, how to do that exercise. There are a lot of coaches and stuff. So we'll be looking at the app also, and we'll be talking about that. Now, the app actually contains food and water logging, diagnostic data, habit tracking, health reads, games for good, okay, health risk assessment, digital health locker, social arena, and karma donation. Services, personal coach, doctor on call, expert advice, diagnosis, payment, everything is over here. And reward wise, you get GOQii cash from and health store. So you can you earn GOQii cash which you can use in their health store. So it is available for App Store and Google Play. So you can use it on your Android or your Apple device. Now the box actually contains just the GOQii core, so that is the band itself, the middle portion of it, and then the band and the activation code. So three things. So let's go ahead and see what all do you get with this. So this is how it looks like. Now you have two cards over here. So the first one will have an activation code which is valid for 3 months. Now I have already used the activation code. It is over here. I am hiding it. So basically you have to download the app, the GOQii app, and then with the activation code you log in and then register yourself. The second thing is your the other card just shows you how to charge the band. So this is how you charge it. Remove it from the band and then plug it into any USB source. So we'll keep that aside. Now this is the actual band. Okay, we'll close this, keep this there. So this is the actual band. Let me open it up. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the band now. Now the bands on this are removable. So you remove it like that. Now the charging port is at the bottom. So you plug it into any USB source. So I can put it onto a power bank. It'll say GOQii and then it'll show you the battery icon with the charging thing going on. So it's that easy. Now the bands, even though I've been using it for 1 year, now you can see there's a little bit of water condensation and all that water mark over here, but nothing has actually happened to it. So I'm really surprised with the build quality. Now the entire thing is plastic. All this is plastic. There's no metal involved, and I have actually taken it to the swimming pool also. I've done swimming with it. Now it does not have a swim tracker, but it actually survived swimming pool too. Now that's not advertised on the box that it is waterproof, but I have done it and it works fine. I will be doing a test and then show you later on that it actually survives all these things. Now the heart rate sensor is at the bottom. Now it's a flat heart rate sensor which is not protruding out too much. Now let's talk about the screen. Now the screen has two buttons, one over here, one over here. Now other than that, the screen itself is touch screen, so you can swipe. Now let me show you the menu. Okay, so that's the watch face. Now you cannot change it. That's the one that you get and that's the one you'll have to live with. Now the first option is tracker. Now in tracker you will get your exercise. So I have kept run, cycling, workout. So those are the options which I have kept. Now this is the back button and the home button. So I do that. Now I go to the second one, which is BP. So it monitors your blood pressure, then your heart rate, and then your steps, and then back to your clock. So those are the options available here. Now one thing I liked about this is that your exercise options are available on the band itself. So I do not have to take out my phone and start an exercise. Now this is good, but the touch is a little I mean, like, I'll show you. Now I can't do this, it won't work that way. I'll have to do slowly. So that's something which I did not like, but if I do it slowly, it works perfectly. It's just that I cannot do this, I cannot do a fast one. So just keep that in mind. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the app. There's a lot to talk about on the app. Let's see that now. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the GOQii app. So this is how it looks like. So we'll press that up. Now this is the home screen. Now the band is shown over here. So that's the band. I press that. Then it takes me to the band option. Now I'll hit sync. So it'll start syncing with it. Now it'll even show you your battery percentage over here itself. So now it's synced. Now it'll show you the total steps, the heart rate, the blood pressure, the sleep, how much you have actually slept. So all of that is shown over here. Your tracker notification, if you put that on, you will get notifications on your tracker. Inactivity alert, so it will show you a message when you are not active. It will give you a message to get up and then start walking. Raise to wake, so if you switch that on, so whenever you raise your hand, it will wake up. Now it gives you the option to choose left or right hand. For this I actually use my right hand, so that one. Show your weather, alarms, display, so you can change the display settings. So the only option you have is in time, you can go from 12 hours to 24 hours, and in distance you can change it from kilometers to millimeters. So that's basically it. That's all that you see over here. Help, and then unlink tracker. So if you unlink the tracker is removed from this app, and then you can use it on another phone, or someone else. You can gift it to someone else and they can use it. Now one thing about this, you cannot just go ahead and connect it with Bluetooth and then use it on the app like other bands. You will have to go in, add a tracker. It'll ask you for the code. That's the code which is there on this on the card that you get with the box. So you will have to put that. Now if you've already used it and it's expired, then you will have to contact the customer care. So I had to contact the customer care and get that code working again. So after that, I was able to connect it to the app. So that's one thing that was strange to me, how that actually works, but they have actually done that. Now let's take a look at the home screen. Now you have GOQii Cash. With this cash, you can actually go and buy stuff from the GOQii store. Family, it actually shows you all the members and whoever is available. Like if you have other people with GOQii bands, all of them you can add over here, and then you can compare data. Now karma points. So karma points is actually like if you do some good things, there are a lot of causes available over here. So if you want to go ahead and donate to a cause or do something, then that option comes over here. You hit contribute, and then you put in the karma points and then contribute it to them. So that's basically it. That's karma points. In settings, you'll get all these settings. Now the app and device settings, goals and habits, reminders, edit profile, your all of that is okay. Security, change your number. In case you're changing your phone number, you have to put that here. So a lot of things are available here. So there are a lot of options, but band wise, what data can you get from the band? You get just this: steps, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep. So those are the 4 options that you get from this. Now if you track your exercises, all that is also going into this itself. So there's no separate place where it shows like I cycled, I did this, I did that. That's not being shown over here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and browse through the homepage. Now you get health quiz also. You can take those quiz, you get rewards, the GOQii Cash, and then you can buy stuff with that. You have the store where you get discounts. So like this one is for 400 rupees, you get it for 160. You can buy that from their store. So there are a lot of options for buying stuff, healthy stuff and stuff and all that. Now habit, so how many times did you drink water, how many steps did you take, all that is also shown over here. And then there are a lot of options. So anything that you want to read, health reads are available here. Now you have play, where you get health quiz, your rewards, classes, a lot of things which are related to, which are not related to your band, which are related to you in case you want, in case you are interested in something, like you're interested in cardio. So there are a lot of cardio related things, and there are coaches available. Now if I go to home, so there's someone always there on live. So there's a live coach here. So that live coach is teaching you something, so you can learn that. So it's all free. So you can do all of that. Now if you go into arena, it actually shows you all the people's, I mean anyone who has a GOQii band and this app and they want to post something, all of that is shown over here. So a lot of people even post their walks, their runs, all that thing they post over here. For some reason I can't see any right now, but you will see a lot of that over here. Now the last one is the store. So over here you get deals. So you, if you want to choose any of that, you can actually use that. You can actually use your GOQii points also and use your cash, whatever you feel like. So all of that is available here. So that's basically it. Now I'll make a detailed video on this, on how the BP works, because that actually will take some time. We'll do a comparison between this and actual BP monitor, like a person, a doctor who can actually check my BP and tell me the actual BP, and then I will compare it with this. So I have done that. It has not been accurate, so I will not blame this also, because for this to get accurate BP, it's going to be difficult, but it does come pretty close. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.